everyone, my name is Penny Fan Zhang. I'm General Manager of AiT Semiconductor. AiT Semiconductor is a fabless IC design company. We have power management ICs, discrete ICs, and memory ICs. Also, we invest in 3 manufacturers for inductor, crystal, and fuse in order to short-term customers' design cycle and provide total solution to customers. AiT Semiconductor, our products apply into 8 segments, include automotive, lighting, consumer, medical, home appliance, telecommunication, IoT, and industrial 8 segments. For the automotive application, AiT Semiconductor provide DC-DC, LDO, OP amplifier, converters, LED driver, discrete products, IGBT gate driver, and EEPROMs. All those products are AEC-Q certificate. Also, we provide SiC products, GaN products, major for high current, high voltage applications. Focus on automotive and industrial segments. For more information, please contact us at www.ait-ic.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.